Hey guys, this is Gaurav again, and today in this video I'm going to chat about one of the most important function, which is if. So if is a logical function, and it's certainly hard to actually explain if as a function uh, in a small video. So if is something which you might have already seen. I have used in few of the function like sum if, where we want to sum the values in a given range but based on a condition, right? So if basically denotes your condition you want to put in. Same thing count if. So if you want to count some values in the given range, but you put a condition based on if. So something like that. So it's kind of your existing formula or a function, but then you put a condition using an if. So how do you really put a condition, right? So I'll try to give you a quick snapshot of how you can use if in the most simplest form. So something like, if you want to put a condition between column C and column D in our given table, that if any of these values are equal or not, right? So let's say if logical test. So what's your logical test? If this equals to this, then comma, if the value happens to be true, what do you want here to be, right? If it is true, then you want to say, let's say 1, or you want to say, if the value is false, you want to say 0. Okay, so 0 represents false, so it just gives you false, because EMEA and English are totally different things. So you drag it to check if any of these values are same. Of course none of them are same, because we are comparing between region and subject. So this can actually be used, this simple logic can be used to make sure that there is no subject erroneously pasted in the region or region in the subject. So something like that. So if you see in the if function, I just used my logical results or the outcome of this function as numbers. So there is another sort of syntax we have to use in case we want to have a text label as an outcome. And in that case, so wherever you have to use a text as an outcome, for our future videos as well, you have to use you have to put the text which you want as an output in under quotation marks. So let's say if we want to say yes for a good value and no for a bad value, then we can change our formula here. We can say, and when I say good, I mean true. Your logical test is true, so we say yes, and then for this we say no. Alright, so it says no, right? So we drag it, everything was no because nothing tie. Another simple example to use if function is, let's say if we want to check if these values, like any of these student have scored greater than 50, because 50 is the passing marks. So we'll say if this value is greater than 50, so this is our logical test, then value, if the value is true, then we also say pass. If the value is false, or basically it is, the value in this any of these cell is less than 50, we want to say fail. Bracket closed. Alright, so this guy failed because it was 30 clearly, right? And then we drag it. Okay, so only this guy passed because he's got scored greater than 50, right? So we can actually put as many as logical tests. It's pretty simple formula, but it is it's the most used formula, I can say, in any Excel. It might not be used independently, but we definitely use it nested with another functions like these. Alright guys, this was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel in case you like the video, if you find it helpful. definitely like it. Click like button. If you want me to work on any other function, do let me know in my comment section. Bye for now. Thank you.